Atomic City here. Hey Jack, what's new?
Oh, we got a little bit of everything this weekend. We've got, we'll get down to it, but we've got our new Johnboat kit available, a new t-shirt. We have an assortment of rebuilder project cars, various kits.
You get different cars in the shop all the time.
Yeah,
don't
we
you?
have different cars in the shop. This is just kind of a sample of project rebuilders that we get. The things that we get in collections, or we found that we've forgotten about in our own personal stash of stuff. And running a special today on the MPC Dodge Demon, $20 a piece. We also have our Dodge pickup truck, available in a long bed and short bed version. This is a multimedia kit, cast resin. This one is the long bed. You have the option of doing a tubbed bed or a stock bed.
Nice.
Comes with a set of 3D printed, these are the Steelies here, 3D printed small parts like door handles and pedals and things like that, lenses, vacuum formed glass. You have 4 grill options for the mid-60s Dodge trucks. Very, very nicely cast body. These were actually produced by Jimmy Flintstone, and the version that we have has the options that he does not sell in the version he offers.
Okay.
So let me show you. We also have a nice breakdown of parts here. You can see.
Oh, okay. That's everything you get.
Everything you get. Now you do have to provide your own engine and drivetrain.
Right.
But with all the items that are out there, it opens up infinite possibilities for the builder.
Nice.
And let's see, what else have we got here? We have some of the Papa Bear Hobbies conversion bodies, which are very, very nicely done. Those are 3D printed. I think we're one of the few shops here in the eastern part, middle part of the country that carry those.
Carries one.
We also have a selection of some of the vintage, all now out of production IndyCar kits, which is kind of appropriate with Indy 500 next weekend. These are all very, very nicely done. Resin kits. Some of the ones came with decals, some didn't. Some are like conversions. Let's see, let me find one here.
Then you got some of the vintage ones too.
Vintage ones too, yeah, the Epson Speed Classics.
Yep.
This particular one is the Miller has
pewter parts,
cast resin, decals.
Oh, make your spokes.
This is the one that would drive you nuts.
Yep.
It's beyond what I'd want to attempt, but 25th scale, lace your own wire wheels.
It can be done.
Yes, these build beautiful kits. I've seen them done before. We have an assortment of Tamiya paints.
And you carry all kinds of paints in your shop?
We carry all sorts of paint in our shop. Other products that we offer in the shop are Pegasus wheel and tire sets. And we have a large assortment of JoHan 3D printed parts.
Okay.
Wheels, tires, engines. These have been very, very popular. We have a couple of folks that do different ones for us. We also have some new old stock JoHan parts, original issue parts. More.
Now, what are these?
Those are those are different engines. That's the one you list when they come off the print plate.
Okay.
So rather than cutting all the parts off of the risers, we
just a 3D printed engine you offer?
3D printed engine, yes. We have a number of the few FSL grill kits, which are very, very nicely done.
Oh yeah, I've heard about those. Those are
yeah.
nice. See-through.
See-through, yeah, they're phenomenal. He does a large
Yep.
selection for the Chevy trucks, Fords. I think we even have some for Dodge trucks.
Got some diorama boxes.
Diorama
those
boxes.
look nice.
Yeah, these are really nicely
Who
done.
sits around and puts those together?
I don't know. Somebody with more patience than I have. And
You get a whole bag of them.
oh yeah, it's like $10 for a whole bag. Really go nice for your diorama display. More. The Chevy truck grill's really popular. One of the nice things that he does too is he tells you which kit they go for.
Okay.
So makes that a little bit easier there. We have again some more chrome. We have a 3D printed coffin for your hearse kits that are out there, or if you just want to add one to a diorama display. Vintage Cadillac wood ornaments for JoHan.
Nice.
And we have our utility trailer, which is, I think you featured that before, but we'll show it to everybody again.
Yeah, it's a neat piece.
3D printed, has decals. STS has made the decals for us. It has, well, let's open it up here. The trailer, the bed, has actual laser cut wood slats for the bed. Comes with a little JoHan decal and some other that simulate like the marker lights and so on. The wheels and tires has you have your option of using either plastic rod or brass rod for your axles and the tailgate hinge. Tailgate's hinged, which is a neat little feature. So you can have that little working feature on there. And here's the
wood slats
for the bed, which you could paint or stain or whatever you want to do to make it more realistic, or however you want to design it. So.
Nice.
Yeah, this has been a very popular item for us. Our first venture into the JoHan multimedia 3D printed items. We'll also take a look at our Johnboat, which we
that's what I'm wanting to see.
We actually just debuted that. This is a replica of a 16-foot Johnboat in 3D printed.
I heard you even get some fish.
Yes, there's fish in there.
So you're serving dinner.
You don't have to worry about them smelling bad. Comes with full color decals. For the boat sides, you can do like an engine decal for the side of the engine. This kit has roughly 30 parts to it. Very simple construction.
You don't want to lose anything in the wind.
No.
You got a nice cross breeze going with those doors open.
So you have, well, we'll start with this since it fell out first. You have like a hinge pin for the motor so it can swivel up and down. And the axles are a little short, stubbier than going all the way across, so you got two axle rods. We'll start with the big pieces. You have your boat hull. Now it's going to, like any 3D printed part, it's going to take a little bit of sanding and stuff, you know, to finish it out. Or if you, where it's been drug over the rocks, maybe you got realistic scratching there. The trailer is two pieces. We'll just dump that out there.
Oh, them oars are nice.
Yeah, we got. So you have your two-piece trailer, which is keyed so that it fits together easier. So that'll make a nice piece. It has we'll get into some of the details here. You have 2 oars.
Yeah, those look really nice. I like those.
And yeah, 2 fishing rods.
Oh wow!
You have
with reels.
Yes, you have a bucket for your fish, a fishing hat, tackle box, a anchor with anchor cable, life preserver, 2 life jackets, and a couple of very, very realistic looking fish.
All right.
Don't know what kind they are. I'm not a fish person, so I couldn't tell you there.
Jay said they were crappie, so we're going with that.
Well, that works for me.
You get a lot of nice stuff in there.
In plastic bags that test old fingers.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and it's not done yet. There's still more stuff.
But wait, there's more. Have the engine with a separate prop. I'll show the good side there.
Okay.
We have the fuel tank. Okay, it has a fuel tank, a primer bulb, and a piece of hose for the fuel line.
Okay.
And we have the trailer axles and the landing gear. So you've got 2-piece wheel and tires, and the landing gear has the separate little wheel and the pedestal that it mounts to.
Okay.
So all in all, you can create a pretty realistic little boat.
Nice.
Nice thing about the accessories, put them wherever you want to in the boat.
Right.
And
make it your own.
yeah, this one has been a very, very popular item, and all these items are available, you know, in the shop, or if you want to order by mail, you can do that. Just send us a message on our Facebook page or give us a call. And we have a number of other items. We'll go ahead and do that.
I don't want to break them fishing rods.
Yeah. This stuff is, put all that back together there in a minute. Let's see, we also debuted our new shirt.
That's a good looking shirt.
It's based on the 67 Plymouth Fury kit, and that was one of the options in the kit. We have them in sizes from large to 4X.
Okay.
Again, available through mail order in the store if you wish.
Alrighty.
Oh, can I touch on the fact that the upcoming Circle City show in Indianapolis on June the 21st, we will be presenting the Gold Cup Award, the JoHan Gold Cup Award, and it'll be for the best model based on a JoHan kit.
Okay.
I mean, if somebody wants to take and build their own custom version, as long as it started with a JoHan kit, then it's an eligible entrant for the.
I'll have to show a flyer of that in this video.
And also, while we're right here, upcoming show that we're presenting in September will be the first Gem City N&L, which it's going to be held in Franklin, Ohio. Or no, I'm sorry. Yeah, Franklin, Ohio, which is just south of Dayton, off of exit 38 on 75. So that's going to be tied in conjunction with the Dayton Concours, the Elegance Car Show that'll be held on the Sunday after this.
Okay.
And a few other events. This will replace the carb show that's traditionally held in the fall.
Yep. Okay. But it's not at the same place.
No, not at the same place.
Right.
It's totally different venue.
Okay.
It's a very, very nice venue. It's just like a reception hall, very well lit, much like the facility here today.
What else you guys got?
Well, we have some more stuff here. Some
Brought
items.
this to sell at the show?
Yes, and things that are available in the shop. These are some of Doug's collection and built up. So he's decided to move to a new place. Vintage XL reissue promo. Different cars and trucks.
Looking good.
A few vintage kits that we just acquired in a collection.
Okay.
And just some
You even get some die-cast.
die-cast pieces too. Figured that would be good since there's a car show.
Well, how can they contact you guys?
Okay, let me. Sorry, I don't remember where my phone number is. You can reach us on Facebook at Atomic City. We're located. Our store is located at 1964 Woodam Center Drive in Kettering, Ohio, which is on the
Put that down.
southeast corner of Dayton. We're open on from Wednesday through Saturday from 11 to 5 and Sunday from 12 to 4.
Okay. And Facebook, Atomic City.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Yeah, you can send us a message if you see something you're interested in or have questions about anything. We'll be more than happy to answer them.
Alrighty. Well, thank you, Jack.
Thank you, Tim.
You guys have a good show today. Have a good day.
Yeah, he
Somehow the hood's gone.
45 on the Lincoln.